Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Celebrity Cars. We're located just down the street from all the shiny lights on the strip. You ever want to come here on your day off for a little extra vacation spot? We've got a lot of really cool cars in here. If you're here on a Saturday morning, go to celebritycars.com, learn all about our celebrity cars and coffee. 300, 400 cars every Saturday morning. Great big car show. Not here. Go check it out at Celebrity Cars. It's anyway, folks, you clicked on the 2024 Ferrari Roma. Well, this doesn't have a whole lot of miles on it, folks. It's a 2024. And I'm your living, breathing condition report here at Celebrity Cars, and I don't have a whole lot to report because I would point out curb rash or a chip in the paint or any of these things. And this car doesn't have any of those things. Are we going to spend a minute, walk around it, and make sure I'm correct? Yes, we are, okay? I'm going to pay attention here, and I'm going to look at all the things. And if I see something funny, I'm going to let you know about it. This is all good. Okay, well, the side windows are in. Got a little bug crap on the window here. Kind of make sure that goes away. It takes 10 minutes. Okay, folks, yeah, your windshield doesn't have a blip in it. There's no, driving down the road a million miles an hour in the middle of the desert. There's no little star pattern on here. It's a flawless windshield. Moving on to the paint. I've given this a pretty good look, folks. That's just a bug up there. This is just a sea of red. And up front here as well. It's a little one. It's just some crud. You think that's a scratch? Oh, okay. Your dirty ass fingers in there. All right. So I'll clean that up later. I should have had a rag in my hand, but yeah, a little itty small chip there, and it looks like I think this is just crud, but there's a little bit of stuff here I might not have wiped off well. But good eye, Quincy, thank you, folks. This car's in beautiful shape, barely used. I'm gonna reach under here and see if I feel any major scrapes, and I have what I felt, none. The whole front end here is in beautiful shape. I know it's kind of shaded, but it's beautiful. The black underneath, there's no weird watermarks. There's no weird anything in it. It's in beautiful shape. Our front passenger side wheel is in beautiful shape as well. There's no curb rash going on. I don't see anything drugged down the side of this. This is the popular passenger side, where things can happen. Maybe one or two little very light abrasions getting in and out of the car, but they're so light, who cares? Whole door area here, small fingerprint getting in and out of the passenger side. Rear wheel and tire, just beautiful, nothing. Back here, oh, there was something I wanted to mention about this car. I knew, back of my head, I had something. Okay, the only thing I wanted to mention was you could see the tops of these lens covers. This is the infamous clear coat stuff. So, somebody was cleaning this a lot and got a microfiber towel with a little bit of dirt in it and got these very minorly done, as well as this black portion back here where the Ferrari logo is. You can see really, really light stuff. Now, folks, you could probably do this at home with your own polish and make all those little itty bitty marks. There's no scratches here, folks. It's just clear coat stuff. A good detail makes it all go away. The red is in unbelievable condition. You see this black bumper back here. Nobody's backed into anything. I'm going to reach down here, make sure nobody hit a concrete deal while they were backing up. The exhaust pipes look good. The rear glass looks good. The whole rooftop. I'm going to go do one of these things to see if I see any dings from any acorns or anything falling out of the sky. I see nothing. Jeez. Okay, come on over here. Over here looks absolutely terrific. All the body panels line up. I don't have any curb rash on this wheel either. And folks, look, you're going to go to celebritycars.com to learn all about the ownership history and what size motor is in this and what all the options this was ordered in. We have some really nice black leather. We have some great black suede with some red piping in it. And that's pretty much the interior. Got the red piping on the steering wheel. Great big screen in front of you. And folks, this does smell new. And that's all I have to say about this. This is a beautiful car. I'm gonna leave this open. I'm gonna walk over to the passenger side real quick. We're gonna look in there just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Likes to talk to you when you open doors. This is a beautiful shot. Look how nice that interior is. Let's see. This opens the back. So I got that, that's good. Now how do I open the front? Does a Roma have a pull string? There we go. Folks, leave it in the comments. No, it's right underneath the steering wheel. Just didn't see it. Oh, I opened up the trunk. Let's look in the trunk. Quincy's back here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that neat? Looks like we still have the box with books and the Ferrari cover and the official where it was purchased from and all that cool stuff. Got a charger back there and everything. Now, does this have a button? Nah, gonna do one of these things. All right, we're good there. Come on up front, let's look at this motor. Super, super cool. Chassis number 301250. Super, super, super cool. Look at that. That motor is back there. It's awesome. Super nice and clean up underneath here too, folks. New car, 2024. Ferrari Roma. See, I don't like touching that. My hands are clean, I just washed them. Use my knuckles, that's good. Okay, so we found one teeny tiny little chip and a little smudge next to it. Folks, this is pretty much still a new car. Do we need to drive this car? No, we don't. It's really low mileage, folks. I don't want to take any chances of adding another chip up front. It's a brand new car, doesn't need to be driven. So we're gonna park it right back here in Celebrity Cars, and if you guys have any questions, give us a call, 702-818-1031. Once again, go to celebritycars.com and read all about it, okay? I'm sure we have something laying around here with all the options that came with it and all that cool stuff, because maybe you're looking for one of these, okay? So thanks very much. We'll see you next time.